Girls, do not try this at home. Yeah,
don't fall, bro.
There's another one down here. Yo, there's a swing down there now.
Huh?
There's a swing down there now. Swing. Look behind you. This is my stomping grounds. Got our little bench. Bikes out there. The boys went swimming. Looks like he's just fucking... Looks bad. Looks real bad. Bad situation to start video off on, but fuck it. Well, we made it home, boys.
We'll probably be a little while, but we'll be there.
We made it home. We got a couple extra things other than just the four-wheeler we went to go by.
Show them the fucking metal detector. Yeah, I will.
Yeah, let's get the metal detector out first. The metal detector is Thug, made by a stick. Yeah, baby. Start pulling shit off. Start with the red bike, Magna BMX Racer.
Pump the tires up. I'll see how fast she goes.
Oh, almost smacked the fuck out of you, boy.
Yeah, there it is.
We got the little monkey bike, and we got a GT Interceptor.
Police Interceptor.
Dude, that thing's brutal.
Big. Oh, it's got GT hubs and all in it.
Yeah, bro, I was looking at that. That's why I said, even if you don't want it, once you guys started uncovering it, I was like, I want it.
I knew I wanted it when I seen it. I seen the handlebars on it. DK bike.
Yeah, David Kirchner.
She got an integrated headset. Here's another gem.
Yeah, the GT Mach 1. This is one that I bought, bro. The flat bar.
Yeah, this thing's nice.
Black Mach 1.
I like the big bars on it. They're like perfect 10s almost.
Yeah, it's a flat bar. Feel it.
Yeah, I see that.
Those are
But they're
bars.
big too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yep. Like you said, perfect 10s.
Some fuel. She even came with some fuel.
Yeah, four-wheeler came with some fuel. Fall free. Came with extra plastics. The 240 plastics, that's cool. Came with an extra bumper.
I wish he had the stock front plastics.
I like the ones that are on it for real. But
Like them cut well, you don't have to worry about it, but I'll get you so covered in mud.
yeah.
Let's hear this old pig run.
There's already been YouTube videos on it. We'll put the links to those in the description. Stage 3, 240 top end, all kinds of aftermarket parts, aftermarket exhaust. Dude, that bike sounds crazy.
That's a four-wheeler.
It's a bike.
You would not call that a bike.
It's more of a motorcycle frame than a car frame. He likes it though, I can tell.
Oh, fuck yeah. Look, this car is probably in love with it.
Start going over these little bikes real quick before I start cleaning the yard up because it's getting dark outside. Little runt. The BMX Racing Magna. Cool little diamond stitch seat. The GT Interceptor, which is pretty fucking, oh, the 4130 Chrome Moly, built in the USA. 2002. 2002 X Games. GT racing seat. The DK. You know, whatever. Legend BMX, but it's got some Well-Go pedals. And then we got the old bicycle shop. Huntington Pike, Rockledge, PA is where this bike was bought. Mach 1. Looks to be original to me. If it's your bike and you want it, spend the money on it, buy it. But I'm probably gonna put some mags on it, different tires, clean up the chrome, da. Maybe some new handle grips. And that's about it.
In the garage, I'm at the shed. Ooh, I just ate some spicy ass chicken wings, boy. Them bitches was bussin'. Look at that beautiful bike. Damn, that red is vibrant as hell on camera. Yeah, look at that. That baby's got clear coat on it. Josh, the paint on this bike looks very nice.
Yeah, I wonder who painted it.
Brother, the paint is beautiful.
I wonder who planned that one out.
There's a couple nice bikes in here. I meant they're all trash. Under here, this is mine. We're gonna have to get this out of here, Josh. I want to play some music, dog. Look at that bike. I think it's kind of cool, though. This dude's manhandling the chopper. The chopper. I got her. Boom. Chopper. Chopper exhaust go. Hang. Now, what do you say we spin this? That's heavy. I'm gonna put this camera down. You see what we're doing, organizing for the wheeler to come up in here.
Out here, we have two Mirraco edits. The gold bike is just how it came, and that's how I'm keeping it. There were some stickers, some nicks up and stuff like that on it, but for the most part, that's how it came. That's how I'm keeping it. I want David to come over here and get some more content for y'all, but we're not getting on the roof of the trailer. Anyway, red unit came with purple pedals and some janky ass handle grips and a Mongoose seat. So all that's gonna get changed out, and one of the tires, I think it's front tire, is completely flat and it won't even hold air for like 30 seconds. So I gotta get an inner tube for that, amongst other things for the other bikes y'all just seen. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, motherfucker's hard as hell.
Yeah, it definitely needs some PB. We got some garage improvements being done. Wow.
This is a piece of shit battery.
That fell apart. No doubt. Well, LEDs, baby. Y'all asked for better storage, so I got the boys in here giving me better storage.
Sure. Yeah, look at them lined up.
Fuck yeah, boys. That is lit. The old schools.
Check out the bench we had to do to fucking get up there to torque them in.
Yeah.
She slightly sturdy.
Dude, I like it. That's a seat.
It's not built. It's for surely not built. It's just.
I know. I seen how you guys had the little Y in there, and yeah, yep.
There was a lot of trial and error.
J-Bro would be walking
Dude.
away tomorrow.
I was not stepping on that fucking thing. That's it.
So we got the GT, Mongoose, edit.
So what we can do is take these two GTs, hang them up here,
Oh shit, did we get all the bikes in here?
and then, yeah. Looks like a lot less, doesn't it?
It does, now they're not
What do you
popping up
think?
like
You think
that.
it looks like a lot less?
Yes, for sure.
Your parts.
Got the junk bike here. Got the most common rider here. Then we got the edits together. Then we got the mongooses together. Got that DK sitting back there. All my parts.
Fucking rims,
Yeah.
bars.
Rims, bars, seats, pegs, sissy bars, handlebars, all kinds of shit. Boy, let me tell you. Fenders. We got the scooter back there. And then the old Harley bike. GT. 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 5 GTs right there in a row. Got the old Huffy. Got the old schools back here, including the Magna. Y'all ain't seen much of the Magna. David's got all kinds of shit going on. We still got this fly racing frame, and we also have a Haro frame. We're probably gonna go back up there, up by them red plastics, or the pocket bike. Don't fucking play with me, bro. That's lit shit. Oh. Yeah, boy. Fuck you, boy. Whoa. Oh, it hurts my ass, boy.
These tires are like skates.
I know, with the gum bottoms, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It feels nice to see that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Come on.